Hello, engineers. So now we are going to discuss about day 5100 challenge. So now in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the Maven project setup. As such, already I have discussed about the Maven in little bit in my earlier lecture. If you watch that, so you will catch this. If not, so you will understand and we'll go through the each and every point which we are going to discuss. So agenda of this discussion, what is the agenda? Agenda is the Maven project setup, complete beginner guide, Playwright with Java. So now agenda, let's go with the today agenda. What is Maven? Next is why. Why need Maven? Problem before Maven architecture. Create a Maven project. Understanding pom.xml. Maven projects structure. Add Playwright dependencies. Maven dependency download process. And best practices. So, okay. So now, in the previous lecture, successfully we have written the Playwright automation script. So I hope you understand that architecture, all the things. So we have need to move about the Maven. Many beginners think Maven is the simply tool to add dependencies. Actually, Maven is such a more than that. Maven is the build automation and dependencies management tool for the Java project. Let's understand what is the build automation. Imagine you are developing a Java project. After writing a code, you need to compile test packages, generate report, create a jar files, manage dependencies, deploy. Doing all these tasks manually is difficult. Maven automate the complete process. That's why it's called build automation tool. Now, my next is the what is the dependency management. So we will understand in the real life example. You need cement, bricks, steel, paints, electrics wire instead of the going to different shop. You give one list to a contractor. The contractor bring everything. Maven work exactly like that. You simply tell Maven, I need Playwright. Maven automatically download Playwright. It required libraries, they are required libraries, and so on. You don't have to download anything manually. This is called dependency management. Okay, this is the dependency I'm showing you. So might be this thought in your mind like me. The problem is problem before Maven. A year ago, developers download jar files manually. Example, Selenium jar file, Commons jar file, JSON jar files, Apache jar. It one version change. If one version changes, the project stop working. Managing hundred of jar file become difficult. So Maven solve all these problems. So this was the problem solving before the Maven. So Maven is the problem solved. So now come to the picture. That is the question so many interview asked to me also. Maven architecture. How the Maven work. I know you already aware. Developers, pom.xml, file, then Maven, then internet, then Maven control, central repository, MCR. Maven central repository, download required libraries, project. So step 1. Here is the store inside. This is the architecture. Okay, this is the work like that. Project, developers, pom.xml, Maven, internet, Maven central repository, download required libraries, project read, and then is what project ready. Then it will start to run. Okay, what is the pom.xml? Do you know? So understand, pom is the like this is the heart of every Maven project. Without pom.xml, Maven can't work. What does POM means? Project object model. This is file store, project information, dependencies, plugins, properties. This is the POM file. As you can see, this is the POM XML. Project information. This is the first line is the project information. Project information, dependencies, plugins, properties, repositories, build configuration, everything related to your project. So now time to create one project. So click on new project. So I will give the Playwright name Playwright project. This is the Playwright project and location where we are document, custom file and template we are creating, add which the Java you are going to use like 21, and the catalog internal, and the version, no need to add version I guess, and then create. Let's see everything is on track. Yes. Group ID test automation. Oh, control A, copy. Artifact also same. Artifact and provide is related to what the name, like company name we are providing to get the clear picture of this project. Sometimes you have observed when we are working on the automation, then they give the project name is backend automation or the company name like this. Version field must be version 1. Let's suppose. And then creating. Yes, this is asking if we have need to new window. So we are switched to the new window. This is how you can create. So might be you are thinking, what is the group ID? Think about the group ID. Group ID like a company name. Artifact is the project name. Version is the current version of the project, like 1. This is the first. Okay. Then your project has been created. Project structure is project src main. So, okay. Now we will create the project structure. Project. This is the project, Playwright project, and src source, main, Java, test resource, pom.xml, and target. This is how we will create. Now you can see I create the main. Next character is, this is how. So like let's compare with this also so that it will clear. Source, test resource. Resource inside, no, we will go because separate. Test resource also fine, or we can create separate also. So now you can see I have created the structure of the project, just simple structure, nothing else. What I have created, this is the source, main, Java, and resource. Whatever the required, we can store in this folder and we can use in the base class or the Java class. Another is the test Java and the resource also. This is the pom.xml file. Already I have tell you this the way, source, main, Java, test resource. This is also same like this. Okay, fine. So resource we have put in the both folder, main as well as test Java. Whatever we will put or store the like configs or the credentials, we will store in the resource folder. Source is the source code, main is the production code, test is the automation script, The source is the properties, test data, config file, image, Excel, JSON, XML. Target generated after build on contents, compile classes, report, jar files. So now time to add the playwright dependencies. So this is the playwright dependencies. This is the project things. So we have need to add the playwright dependency. Now open the pom.xml file. We have already opened the playwright dependencies. Now you can see this is the playwright project, or this is the version which we have given. This is the Java we have added in that while the creating Maven project. And yeah, so now we have need to add all the dependencies. So whatever, we will come here and add the dependencies. Build, from build we will take all the dependencies. GitHub, OneDrive, tests. Yes, I will take all these. Yes, I will take all these, and we will just copy paste here. There is the two way you can search from the Google or the find out. I will directly take them from already. I have created the project dependencies. Start this, and there is dependency. This is fine. Okay, dependencies. I think inside dependencies. Why this is burning mythic? This is also fine. Oh, I have added the after the plugins. Oops, it's my bad. It's fine now. Somewhere is error getting. Yeah, this dependencies. Oh, this is extra dependencies here. So now you can see this is the not required. We are not going with any Selenium things. Need to remove. This is the 1010G. WebDriver also not required. This is the most required. Playwright. This is the version which we have to. And JUnit. And this is the Apache Maven. This is the things we have need to for just basic setup. The project as we will continue. What happened after clicking the just save it, and here is the one option is Maven, and just shrink it. Yeah, you can see that is the Maven project is syncing. You can see analyzing the project. Okay, then it will read and check all the dependencies, and will look all the existing as well as the whatever the added dependencies here. It will check. And this is the Maven project lifecycle. You can see this is the lifecycle: clean, validate, compile, test. And this is the all plugins which is now plugged. And this is the dependencies which we have added, or this is the repository. Central repository is the Maven Central is the world largest repository for the Java libraries. Whenever you add Selenium, Playwright, JUnit, TestNG, Apache, pom, so Maven download everything from your Maven Central. So now come to the best practices. Use the Java 17 or 21 latest stable with the Playwright version. Meaningful project name. Never download jar manually. Use Maven. Keep pom clean. Never use unnecessary dependencies. For the beginner mistakes, guys, internet working dependency typo version wrong version mistakes. That is the mistake. Not reloading Maven. Wrong project SDK. Deleting .m2 folder accidentally. This is the m2 folder. Here's you can see somewhere. Delete the this one local. This is the folder deleting accidentally. So this is the how all the things I have explained with you in the detail. So some of the question I would like to suggest you should be aware. What is the Maven? Why Maven? What is the pom.xml? Different between group ID and artifact. So already I have told you group ID is what is the group ID and artifact. If you want to again, so give me a moment. Group ID is just company name, artifact is the project name, version is the version like 1, 2, 3, or the you are just creating the project. So currently group ID, company name, and artifact is the project name. And local repository, Maven Central, what happened when Maven reloaded, what is the build automation, what is the dependency management, all the things you should be aware. So this is how, congratulations, you set up all the things. We will continue from the same project, Playwright project, from the next video. Thank you.